Hey everybody, and welcome back to the second part of the LOLs on Sparkle Twist Toy Time. We ran out of time last time and we forgot to find out if our little surfer pup spits or pees. So let's find out this time and let's see what happens. Nothing! So what do we need to do? We need ice, right? So let's find out. We got some ice here. See if we get any color changing. Nothing! What is going on here? Aww. Alright, well let's try this girl. Our little funky QT. Nothing. Let's see if she does some color changing. Maybe down here. What is going on with these critters? Alright, well let's move on and see what we have in our balls. Woo, she's going to lay down the job. Let's go ahead and do our charm. Open that up and see what we got in here. All right. Here is the little charm guide. Ah, I'm ripping it. My bad. My hands are all wet. It's not going well, y'all. It's not going well at all. There's all of the charms. All right, so let's finish opening up this. I need some nails. There we go. Ooh, I think this one might be a green fizzy ball. Oh, and look, there is our little stickers on there. Pizza basketball. All right. Let's see if I can get this thing off of there. Little outer coating, base paint thing. There we go, fizzy bomb. All right, let's toss that in there. Let's start going. This is away. All right. While that's going, let's do our LOL pet with 7 surprises inside. It's really going there. It's changing our beautiful pink water. All right, so many layers on this. Just goes and goes and goes. All right. Ooh, we got our first little one here. What is that? There's our little code. What do you think it is? Dress up? All right. Let's see what the next layer is. It's like a never-ending maze. Oh, there it is. Doesn't want to come off. There's our stickers. Will it spit? Will it cry? I don't know. Oh, I can hear it. It's really going to town back there. All right. I think this is our last layer. Look how cute pet will we get this time. All right. Let's open it up. All right. Look at all this stuff in here. All right, oh, we got hot pink this time. This does not want to come off. There we go. All right, hot pink little paw prints, LOL and a heart. All right. There's another little hanger there. Our little guide with the pets. Whee! And then here are all our little packages. All right, we'll hook this on. There it goes. All right, let's get all the little ones opened up real quick. There's a cute little milk carton that says missing. Have you seen meow? All right. Oh, I like this little scooper. It's got a cute little key fob. It's almost like a mask. All right. Ooh, what is in here? It feels kind of big. What? It's a hat! Yay! I think this might be from the cosplay club. And it's Fuzzy Fan. What a cute little calico kitten. Yay! All right, let's go ahead and check now before I forget. If we spit, cry, or tinkle. I don't know, I didn't think I saw anything. She spits! Oh. There we go. She is just too cute. A cute little kitty. Oh, I like her little braids back here. Now she's got her cute hat. Meow, meow, meow. You want to come hang out with this puppy over here? Meow. There we go. There's all her stuff. Here's your milk. Meow, meow. All right. Oh, let's see. I think our charms are done. Let's see what our charm is. Oh, there's still a little bit on there. Break that off. There we go. Here's our charm. It's like a little fin. How cool is that? Now we have 2 charms. Put right over there. Can hang out with you. Don't eat that, kitty cat. Don't eat it. All right, let me dry my hands off a little bit, and we can do this cool confetti one again. And it has 9 surprises. Oh! I think my hands are still too wet. Let me dry them off real good. All right. Hopefully that's good. Hopefully we can get this open now. The struggle is real, y'all. Let's just use some scissors. Oh, I'm gonna stab my mouth. That's no good. Momentarily, we are down for the count. Oh no! Oh, we got it! Woohoo! All right. Yay! Another confetti! I like this one, y'all. It was so nice. We're gonna do it twice. We got our first thing. All right. It's a star plus battery. What could the message be? Star power! All right. Ooh, I think I see another little surprise. All right, stickers. What will happen? Will it spit? Will it cry? Will it tinkle? All right. There it goes. Maybe, maybe. All right. Okay, so we're gonna start here. We're gonna open it up correctly this time, you guys. Oh, I dropped something. Oh no. I dropped this little camera. Ooh. Maybe we have some type of film director. I broke it again, y'all. I broke it again. I am out of control here, y'all. All right, let's see what our first little thing is. Let's get some scissors. All right, here we go. Ooh, a little pacifier, it looks like. Cute blue pacifier. Let's spin it. That's just gonna go now. No one's safe from my destructive power. What is this? Oh, look at that. Looks like a special Starbucks fancy cup. Little sippy bottle there. All right. Oh, there's the special string. All right, let's see what's in this one. There we go. Oh, there are the shoes. Let's see. Look at those golden shoes. So fancy, like Hollywood. There's all our stuff. We're getting closer. This might be the outfit. I think it's our last little thing. Oh, it's stuck in there good. Let's be a big outfit. Oh my goodness. It's almost like Cleopatra. It's a cute little Egyptian looking outfit. How awesome is that? I can't wait to see this doll. All right. Here we go. You ready for the confetti pop? See? Oh no, it's not going. I think I'm doing it right. No! Nothing's going right on this one for us. All right, let's try this again. There we go. It finally opened. Not the biggest boom. All right, we got 2 bags out of there. Let's see what it was. Oh, look at that necklace. What a fancy gold necklace. All right, now here is our doll. Who could it be? Who do you think it might be? Oh my goodness. Look at her. She looks awesome and she's already in position. She's ready to dance. Wow, let's get her all dressed up. Okay. I love her green outfit and her lacings on her legs. It's pretty awesome, and all of her beautiful makeup there. There we go. That looks a little bit more relaxed. She was on point. My goodness, my lady. There we go. All right, let's get that little shoe up there. Oh, we'll do the bows on the outside. All right. Ooh, does this go up here or is it a necklace? Maybe it's a necklace. I think it's a hair. Does it go? I wonder. I don't know. Let's see. Let's check out the picture. Let's check out her picture. Oh, I think this is Farrah Babe. It looks like it goes in the hair. That's Farrah Babe. All right. There we go. We'll put right there on her. It sort of wants to stay. Ah, it's an ornery little thing. All right. Well, we got 3 more awesome things. We got our cute little kitty cat and our Farrah Babe. Oh, your hat ran off there. Oh, kitty down. Meow. All right, and our cute little charm. All right, so we had 2 great LOL videos there back to back. I hope everybody enjoyed it. Remember to comment below and tell me who your favorite one was. I really just love this kitty, but I love kitty cats. They're my faves. All right, remember to like and subscribe and join me for another great episode. And oh my goodness, we forgot to check and see if she spits, cries, or tinkles. Oh my goodness, y'all, my bad. She spits. Ah, she's so mad at me. She's spitting at me because I forgot. My bad, y'all. Oh, I don't think y'all saw that. Let's do it again. Whee! All right. I hope you guys join me on another great episode. Remember to like and subscribe and comment below. Bye, everybody. All right.
Mommy. What? Yeah.